Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here, and in this video I'll tell you everything that you need to know about the Apple Gather Round event and all that we still don't know after the event, so keep watching. First was the Apple Watch Series 4. Now there's only a slight change of its design where it's 30% larger but thinner than the Series 3. It has a brand new display with an interesting water and even a vape effect to the watch face. Now the crown is a digital crown and it includes haptic feedback to give you precise adjustments, and the speaker is also said to be 50% louder. And the most significant update is the fall, trip and sleep detection, where it gives an alert to start an emergency call through the SOS feature. Now the watch also has an electrocardiogram or ECG reading, which is the first of any smartwatch that also has FDA clearance on the readings. Now the Apple Watch Series 4 comes equipped with the 64-bit dual-core S4 chip with the watchOS 5, and it has a battery life up to 18 hours. Now the color options includes gold, silver, space grey, and there's also a brand new gold stainless steel and leather edition. It is going for $399 USD for the GPS variant and $499 USD for the cellular version. Next is the release of the brand new iPhones. Now there's no iPhone 9, but there were announcements of 3 new iPhones, which is the iPhone XS, the XS Max and the iPhone XR. Now all of the phone comes with a brand new A12 Bionic chipset which launches apps 30% faster. It also handles AR features and games even better. Now there's also a dual SIM, which one of the SIMs is an eSIM, but no, there's no SD card slot. Now both of the iPhone XS and Max comes with a Super Retina OLED display, not AMOLED like last year's model, and the phone finally gives you stereo audio recording. And the main difference between the XS and the XS Max is the display size, where it is 5.8 inches for the XS and 6.5 inches for the XS Max, which is the largest of any other smartphones, but let's not forget about the notch. Now there's no upgrade on the camera since last year's iPhone X, but there's 2 new features, which is the Smart HDR, which is something like the AI feature on most Android phones, where it adjusts the picture settings after taking a photo. Then there's also the depth of field adjustment, where you can adjust the background blur after taking the photo, where other phones like Sony and Samsung had it for eons. Now as for pricing, the iPhone XS is starting at $999 and the iPhone XS Max is starting at $1,099. So much for the Note 9 being the most expensive phone. As for the third iPhone is the iPhone XR with the not so budget pricing variant of the phone, and is starting at $749 USD, which comes with super colorful choices of black, white, coral blue, yellow and product red. Now the phone comes with a 6.1-inch LCD screen instead of OLED, which now Apple calls it the Liquid Retina. Very fancy. Now it has a single camera instead of a dual camera setup, so it is without the telephoto lens, and for me, again, with that price of $749, there are phones out right now like the Xiaomi Pocophone or even the OnePlus 6, which is cheaper, but yes, for some, it's all about the Apple's ecosystem. Then there's also some little announcements where there were minor updates on the Apple HomePod with the brand new apps and also the ping feature, Apple TV's Dolby support, and the macOS Mojave, which is available from September 24th onwards. Now here are some of the things that Apple did not tell us. First of all, for some strange reason, Apple did not state the amount of battery capacity of each one of the phones, where it only states how much battery that you get compared to the previous models available from iPhone, which makes me wonder, why would you want to hide that specs? Is it because it's super low? And another thing is that the iPhone now does not, and I repeat, does not include the Lightning to 3.5mm headphones jack dongle, which was included in last year's iPhone X, so that makes me wonder why too. And until now, there's still nothing on the refresh update on the Mac Mini, which is still one of my favorite devices, and no word on the new MacBook Air. Then there's also no updates on the toothbrush, the AirPods. Nothing new on the new iMacs, and there were even rumors of the iPad Pro having USB-C, and until now there's still no news. Now in conclusion, I think that the only thing worth upgrading is the Apple Watch Series 4. When it comes to the iPhones, I really think that you shouldn't, because you might as well just get last year's iPhone 10. But then again, do let me know what you guys think of the brand new Apple Watch Series 4 and also the brand new iPhones. Would you guys get it? Do let me know at the comment section below. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo and I'll catch you guys in the next video.